Hey everyone! Welcome back to our kitchen. How are you today? I hope you're all doing great and feeling full of energy. Today, I have a special recipe for you. Pear juice. Who here loves pears? Pears are not only sweet and refreshing, but also packed with health benefits. Their juicy texture and light taste make this juice perfect to enjoy anytime, especially on a hot day. Oh, and later, I'll also share some tips on how to choose the perfect ripe pear and how to store it so it lasts longer. So, don't skip the video. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. Ingredients needed. Fresh pears peeled and cut into small pieces. 200 milliliters cold water or coconut water for extra freshness. 1 to 2 tablespoons honey or milk. Optional ice cubes. Optional tools. Required: 1 blender, 1 knife and cutting board, 1 serving glass, 1 strainer, optional if you prefer a smoother texture. The ingredients are super simple, right? Pears are rich in water content, making them perfect for a refreshing juice. Oh, and this juice can be made with regular cold water. Or if you want it even fresher, you can use coconut water. And if you love an extra tangy kick, we can add a bit of lemon juice. If all the ingredients are ready, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Choosing and preparing the pears. Before we start making the juice, I want to share some tips on selecting the perfect ripe pear so the result is sweet and delicious. When buying pears, press the area near the stem. If it feels slightly soft, it means the pear is ripe and ready to eat or juice. If it's still hard, you can leave it at room temperature for a few days until it softens. Oh, and did you know there are many types of pears? There are green pears with a crunchier texture, yellow pears that are sweeter, and red pears with a unique taste. You can choose based on your preference. Steps to prepare the pears. Wash the pears thoroughly and soak them in salt water for a few minutes to remove any dirt. Peel the skin if you prefer a smoother juice. But if you like more fiber, you can leave the skin on. Cut the pear into smaller pieces to make blending easier. Remove the core and seeds. While preparing the fruit, let me share some health benefits of pears. Health benefits of pears. High in fiber, which is great for digestion. Rich in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system. Helps maintain heart health as it is low in calories and fat. Contains antioxidants that are beneficial for the skin. Helps maintain fluid balance in the body due to its high water content. When cutting the pear, it must be small so that it can fit in the blender. For example, like this. Is everything ready? Now let's move on to blending. Step 3. Blending. Add the pear pieces into the blender. Pour in cold water or coconut water for extra freshness. If you prefer a sweeter taste, add honey or sugar to taste. Add ice cubes for a cooler and more refreshing juice. Blend all ingredients until smooth and well combined. Post. This is the most exciting part. Let's start blending. Make sure all the ingredients are in, then turn on the blender until the texture is completely smooth. While waiting for the blender to do its magic, let me tell you a little about the history and uniqueness of pears. Pear history and fun facts. Pears have been consumed for over 3,000 years, originating from China. There are more than 3,000 varieties of pears worldwide. Pears were introduced to the New World by European settlers. They belong to the Rosaceae family, making them close relatives of apples. Pears are the 5th most produced fruit globally, primarily grown in China, Europe, and the US. Symbolic meanings of pears. In some cultures, pears symbolize love and affection. In Christianity, they represent the Virgin Mary and Child. In Chinese tradition, pears are a symbol of immortality. According to the famous poet Homer, pears were considered gifts from the gods. Many renowned artists throughout history have featured pears in their artwork. Okay, the juice is now smooth. If you prefer a silkier texture, you can strain it before serving. Step 4, straining and serving. If you want a smoother texture, strain the juice using a fine sieve. If you like fiber, pour it directly into a glass. Add a squeeze of lemon juice for extra freshness. Garnish with pear slices or mint leaves for a decorative touch. Wow, look at that color! This pear juice has a naturally bright yellow shade. That means our juice is packed with vitamins and minerals. For an even more appealing look, we can add a slice of pear or a sprig of mint on top. And if you love an extra refreshing touch, just toss in some ice cubes.
Wow!
Step 5, closing. Yay, our pear juice is ready. It's a simple, healthy, and absolutely delicious drink. This juice is perfect for a healthy breakfast, a midday snack, or even as a refreshing treat in the afternoon. And most importantly, it helps keep your body hydrated and healthy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel so I can keep bringing more recipes. If you try making this at home, let me know in the comments below. You can also experiment by adding other ingredients, like ginger for warmth, or mixing it with apples for a richer taste. See you in the next video. Enjoy your fresh and healthy pear juice.